Annyeonghaseyo, Junlin and Kizel.
Annyeonghaseyo, kuya.
Good morning. So, walay klase kay Saturday. So, I'm here to deliver for Junlin. You have 8 pizza and you also have 3 bottle of Coke. Okay. Nga kana din dai free ra pud na siya sa pizza. Okay. And also for Kizel, you have 5 choco pie. Please receive. And lastly, 1,000 pesos pocket money for you. Okay. And that is all from Taisonim.
Uncle Taisonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Thank you for the pizza and Coke.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Angel. So you're here to get your tuition in Starland, right? So you will have 250 pesos for the tuition fee weekly and your 100 pesos for your transportation and your milk fee, okay? That is from
Uncle Kim Yoksan.
Kim Yong-sun Min.
Uncle Kim Yoksan. Uncle Kim Yoksan, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Study hard, okay? And I will send also with you your ledger so that you have to know how much your remaining money, okay? 감사합니다.
Everybody loves butterfly. Little caterpillar didn't like change. His brother and sister had all turned into butterfly. And he know that one day he would to
Wood, silent L.
would to, but he would to
Wanted.
but he wanted to stay a caterpillar forever. Change is good, said a lovely is one. Don't you want to become a beautiful butterfly? Cutter. Everybody loves butterfly. Little caterpillar didn't like them. His brothers and sisters and all turned into butterfly and
Turn.
turned into butterfly, and he now butterflies, and he knew that one day he would to
Wood, silent L.
would to, but he wanted to stay a caterpillar forever. Change is good. Change is good, said a lovely is one. Don't you want to become a beautiful butterfly?
Beautiful butterfly.
But little caterpillar didn't. I like being a caterpillar